Hi guys, so today in this video I will be showing you how to create your works cited page in MLA format using Google Docs. As you can see, I've already set up the title, heading, page number. If you need help doing any of this, please see our video called General MLA Format on YouTube. In the meantime, I'm going to show you what a works cited page usually looks like. The Tutorial Center put this works cited page together using random sources. This is what yours should look like, but with your own sources. As you can see, these are in alphabetical order. This is how your works cited page should always be. So if we scroll down, we see a breakdown of this information of this works cited page. So for an entire book, you're going to put the author's last name first, then their first name. You're going to put the book title in italics, then the publisher and the year of publication. And here's an example of that. Pages of the book is very similar. The only difference is that you have to put the pages at the end, and notice we do not put PG, we put PP dot and then the page numbers. For an entire website, you're going to put the name of the website in italics instead of the book. You're also going to put the sponsor of the site, the date of update, and the date of access, and then the URL or the location you received this from. For a book with 2 or more authors, it's very similar to just citing a book, except you're going to put et al. At the end to represent the other authors of the book. For an ebook, you're going to put the title of the book in italics, comma, ebook, the location, comma, and the date of publication. Here's an example of that. So the article or post from a website is a little bit different. You're going to put the author's last and first name, period, and then you're going to put the title of the work in quotation marks, and then you're going to put the title of the website in italics instead of the title of the work, like you did with a regular book. You're also going to put the date of access and the URL. So the date of access is when you accessed it. The journal article is similar to a book, except you're going to put the title in quotation marks and you're going to put the journal of publication in italics. You're also going to include a volume number and the year of publication. A video from a website is also going to have the title in quotation marks, and then you're going to include who it was edited by, the publisher, the publication date, and the location, where you'll include the URL or the link to the video. For a personal interview, you're going to put the interviewee's last name, comma, first name, personal interview, and the date of the interview. So this is a professor here at Clovis Community College that we interviewed, so Simonson, comma, Jennifer, personal interview, the 21st of October in 2015. For a film found on a database, you're going to include the author's last name, comma, first name, and you're going to put the title of the film or video in italics, the role of contributors and their first name, comma, last name, version, numbers, publisher, publication date, the database name also in italics, and then you're going to include the link or the URL. For citing a magazine, you're going to put the title in quotation marks, and you're going to put the magazine title in italics, along with the website title. That's all we have for you today. If you need further assistance, please make an online writing appointment.